guys, it's Tuesday morning and I'm literally about to go to work right now. But I kind of wanted to vlog today because I'm doing just like a few things that I'm kind of like wanted to film. But I'm doing after work, I'm getting off, and then Toy Joy is having a Sony Angel release for the rainy day series, and I really been wanting to get one. So hopefully the release is at like 10 a.m. So hopefully like by the time I get there, they still have some. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm meeting up with Trinity to have like a study date because we were both in summer classes right now. So we're gonna do that, and then maybe I'll film at work too. So yeah. This is my morning routine, turning everything on and getting the shop ready to open. I just opened up the store right now and I finished checking emails, so now I need to start doing the orders that came in from like last night for today still. But I also was gonna say, so Trinity inspired me because she's giving up social media for like a while, and I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I've been trying to like not be on social media as much. So I'm gonna try for today to not get on social media at all. So we'll see how that goes. And yeah, it looks like it's about to rain because it's really dark outside. And then maybe I'll take you along with me making some arrangements. Also, my hair is getting so long. Do you guys think I should cut it? Every time I say or ask my family, they say no. But look how long it is. Maybe it's not that long. My layers in the front are actually like growing out now too, so it's kind of just like flat. So I need ideas. I'll be honest with you guys, I had a kind of hectic morning because my delivery driver is getting here real fast, so I had to do everything fast. So I did arrangements, I didn't record, but I'm making one right now, and she left with all the deliveries, so I can record this one. So I'm in the process of doing it. And I just did greens and like filler mostly, and then now I'm doing like the line flowers, which is flowers that are in the shape of a line, literally. There was a customer who came inside to help her, but I'm going back to making the arrangement. I'm so sad. Okay, I know I said I wasn't gonna go on social media, but I was like, I need to go real quick to just look at the Toy Joy Instagram because I want to just get an update on like what's going on with their release. And there's so many people at both locations because I was gonna go to the one downtown. I think they're gonna be sold out by the time I get off. I could literally like, I'm so sad. Okay, I just got off of work and I was planning on going to the downtown location, but they haven't posted that they haven't sold out of the Sony Angels. So I'm thinking of going to the one that's kind of like more north, because I'm kind of close to that area, and go there first, and hopefully they have it, because I don't know, I don't really want to drive downtown yet. So let's see. Okay, I'm scared. I just made it right now. I hope they have it. I'm so scared. Sorry. Oh. Guys, oh my gosh, they had so many available, as you saw, but I didn't know if I wanted to get just one or two, and depending on the trades that they had, which they had the yellow elephant. Oh my gosh, there's people next to me. I don't care, I'm gonna open it right now. Don't hit my car. But oh my gosh, I'm so scared. Okay, so I really want this one, or the green frog, or the yellow duck. But those are the options. Oh my gosh, my nails are dirty, sorry. My life of a florist. Oh my gosh, okay. I need to hurry up, but it's like, it's hard to open. Where's my keys? Guys, I'm gonna cry if I get the, I forgot what it's called. What is it called? Axolotl. Oh my gosh, if I get that one. Okay, I've never done it this way before, but when people like pop it open. Fail. Okay. Oh my gosh. I will crash out if it's one of the ones I don't like. I'm scared. I've never been so scared to open a Sony Angel before. I'm gonna show you guys first before I look. I can't wait. Who are It's so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is one of the ones I wanted. Okay. My like heart is like racing right now. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's open the second one. Oh my gosh. I'm crazy. Okay, now I hope it's either the duck or the axolotl. I really hope it's the axolotl. I really hope. Okay, let's try again. Oh, that was good, no? Oh my gosh, somebody's watching me. Okay, we're gonna do it again. Oh wait, oh, I felt something. Wait! Is this a secret? Wait, is this a secret? Is this a secret? Wait, do I like it? Oh my gosh. Wait, I love it. I had to kind of like, you know, train my eye to it to kind of look at it. Oh my gosh, I got a secret. I've never got a secret before. Yay, I'm so happy. Oh my gosh, I needed this. I needed this, what's it called? Endorphin? whatever the word is, you know what I mean. Okay, made it here. Trinity met up with me here. And then we're gonna check it out. I've seen pictures online and it looked really cute, so we're gonna see. Whoa, yes. Wow, they look so good. Look at these stuff. Wow. Okay, we got our drinks. I got the iced matcha and they have like honey on the side. It makes it look so good. And then Trinity got, what was it, like a mango pineapple? Okay, yes, and we're gonna try it right now because they both look really good.
Okay, both taste testing on our cameras at the same time.
And on mine.
Right.
Okay, taste test. I don't know if I like mine. Okay, let me mix it a little bit. Yeah. I think I just got like the very bottom of it.
It really tastes like
looks
the
so
real
crazy.
fruit in here.
Okay. Do you like yours?
I mean, it tastes like real fruit.
Okay.
You know? It's not like the generic syrup. It doesn't taste like the
Well, that's good.
syrup flavor.
You know, I'm still kind of like,
I think mine is that.
okay.
Do you like mango and pineapple?
We're both trying each other's drinks. I'm trying the mango one. This tastes good. It tastes very like fresh.
With this.
Yeah. It's not good.